you like to wear it?
Yeah.
Which way? This way or this way?
This way.
This way?
You want a hat?
I'll go find a hat. You can wear that hat.
Oh.
Daddy will wear that hat.
Right, what are we doing?
I'll be right
We're
back.
not ready, Daddy.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
Cook.
Cook what?
Brownies.
Brownies?
Yeah.
For who?
Her.
Why?
To make a birthday cake.
Birthday brownies.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Can you give me a high five? Let's do it. So, what's first?
First, I need to do this.
Get a pan.
Yeah.
What size? A big one, small one, or medium?
I mean them.
Medium? Okay.
Yeah.
What are these?
Hey.
Catch.
No.
We put them right here for now. How many eggs do we need?
1, 2, 3.
3 eggs. Let's get them out.
Yeah, and crack them.
Not yet. 1, 2, 3. You hold it. Put it down. Set it in here for now. All right. What else do we gonna need? We're gonna need water. How much water? 1/4 of a cup. Let's do this.
This was good.
Is it say 1/4? Oh, wait, not yet. Let's see. That's close enough. 1/4 cup of water. All right.
Oil.
Oh, how'd you know?
Oil.
All right. So we gotta hop down to get the oil out.
Okay. Now the oil then. Now you need to crack the eggs.
All right. You gonna crack them?
No, it's my hands.
All right. Put that in the sink, please. All right. Here. You crack the egg.
No.
I crack it on your head.
No. Not
How many
my
eggs is
hand.
that?
Not right. 1 egg.
Hand me an egg.
Okay. But
All right.
you look. No.
Oh, not on your head. Put it in here.
Yeah. Drop.
All right. How many more eggs? You crack it.
No.
Bang it.
No. You. What?
All right. So, do you think it's faster if we just turn the bowl over?
Yeah. I'm helping you.
You're doing it. You're not helping me.
Yeah, helping. Where'd Mom go?
What is this? What are we making?
Brownies.
Brownies? For why?
Her.
What's today?
Brownies.
No, what's today? What day is today?
Daddy. Carter's birthday.
Yeah.
In my spoon. What? In my spoon.
Yep. So you want to put your spoon in the bowl, and then we'll put the bowl in the sink.
Okay.
What now?
What? Cook it.
Cook it. All right. We'll get down. Let's cook it. Jump down. Oh, leave it there. Let's get down first.
Why?
Now we gotta move the bench.
Oh, I can wear these ones. I can wear these. And I'm not get hot. Look, I wear these.
All right.
Let's put
All right. Where's it go?
an oven.
All right. Let's go. Don't touch the oven.
Why?
Because it's very hot. All right. Push it up. Put those down.
Alright. This looks good.
It looks good? Oh, excellent job. Keep going. You gotta really push him down there, buddy. There you go. All right.
All the candles are gone. Now it's saying happy birthday and leave it. All the candles on here.
Yeah, let's go find Carter and get him in his seat.
You want to sing happy birthday, buddy?
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? All together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Ready?
birthday party, ready?
Let's blow them out. Blow. Good job. Yay!
Now let's eat it.
Happy birthday party.
Let's eat it. Let's eat it.
Happy birthday, buddy. You want to try it? Look.